thousands of likes, criticizing the Indian government. I think it was after that this took place. Now this shows you, are they really this fragile? Imagine a government that big. They're fragile, they're insecure, they're weak, they're disheartened. They are demoralized by the criticism of an individual who lives in London and who's using his phone right now, okay, to communicate with the world. Unbelievable. But did you think that this was going to hurt me? Did you think that you were doing something to me? Did you think that you were winning? Let me tell you something, and this is my message, okay, to the Indian government, since I know that you watch my content. Now you can't pretend. You can't pretend you don't watch the champ, because you know you watch the champ, yeah? You have to go and complain to YouTube to try and get my entire channel removed for 1 billion people not to see it. But I promise you, these people who are watching using VPN are going to come across hijab. And I believe that this is going to increase, yeah? Hijab viewing, Muhammad Hijab viewing in India. All the way from Bombay to Hyderabad to this place, that place, people are going to be watching hijab just like they watch Zakir Naik and you try to kick him out of the country because once again, you're insecure.